Welcome back or welcome. I come bearing bad news and it's nothing to do with the car. I actually broke my pinky toe over the weekend in the dumbest way possible. I was cleaning around the house and the bed frame came out of nowhere. My foot is a little out of commission. It's fine.
You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but
We are on our way to the shop by ourselves since Jordy is riding bikes. So we're gonna go fix my coil pack and see if that helps my car.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
They don't really do broken toes apparently, so I only got this buddy tape and free toes for the one time they tape me up, but I'm still limping. Hurts to walk. We're here for her. And I somehow got a maneuver pushing her in by myself. Marco. Hello. Just kidding, no one's here. That light is so annoying. I'm not even bothering turning it on. We're gonna leave it off. I got my naked smoothie. I'm like ready, but not ready. Keep telling myself, it's fine. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. It's taped up. It'll stay in place, hopefully. My mom scared me and told me, you gotta keep it taped up or it's gonna fall out of place and then you'll have a crooked toe. Bit on edge. Let's open up the door and get this party started. I have decided I am not gonna try and bother to push it in.
You smart.
Because I will most likely just end up hurting myself more.
You very smart.
And I don't need that. I've been very accident prone lately. So let's get the hood propped and get the coil pack out. But first, let's show you the new one. Wha-bam! So I got this from Miata Depot. Let me hope it's the right one. Sick, 3-pin. Alright, now let's get this baby open. Ta-da! Now the coil pack, this baby right here. But before I touch that bad boy, let's disconnect the battery. Whoever said these were gonna get really hot in the summer, you are correct. I mean, the inside isn't that bad, but the top is steaming. I need to figure out how to hold my trunk up. I think my umbrella's in the office. Let's go find it. There she is. A single mom who works 2 jobs, who loves her kids. Ta-da! Let's disconnect this battery. Negative is disconnected. Now moving on to the main course of action. Removing the old coil pack. So I have my new one here. Ow, ow, ow. I need to get rid of this thing. You. I have my new one. I have to remove these out of the bracket. So let's take these out quick. They are removed. They are labeled. Now let's get the other ones out and swap the brackets and put the new ones in. Well, didn't mean to pull that one out. Unscrewed everything, and I think I accidentally lost the bolt that goes right there, so that's fun. I'm trying to unclip this, and I'm not having a good time. So we shall touch base when it's unclipped.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Ta-da! Coil pack is removed after having to get on top of the engine and get in there more because I cannot reach. So I also found the bolt I lost. So, got my handy dandy tool. We're gonna try and grab it. Got it!
Victory screech!
Same thing we did to the last one. Gotta remove the coils and swap the new ones into this bracket. Ta-da! It's also only a screwdriver and an 8. These ones don't have the top. We shaped it, but they're on. Let's plug them in. Let's see if it works. All plugged in. I'm actually not sure if this clip actually goes in or not, but we're gonna We're gonna leave it for now. I'm gonna plug back in my battery and let's see how she sounds. I'm gonna FaceTime Jordy. Jordy! This guy. He told me to FaceTime him too. Say hi to everyone.
Hello, world.
Alright, moment of truth.
Is it on? I can't hear it.
Yeah, it's on. It's still stuttering. It smells like fuel.
It's really hard for me to hear anything. Did you put the wires in the same spots?
Yeah. Should I turn it off? All that work and what did it get me? That's how I feel right now. I am gonna wait until my Link ECU goodies get here because I can actually get into my car and see what the actual problem is. It still smells like gas, which probably means it's not firing correctly still. So we tried! We tried. It's fine. Kept me preoccupied with a broken toe. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, not at the shop, not working on my car. We're actually at my job. One of my few in-office days because I'm completely remote, but still waiting on my Link stuff, actually, funny enough. So until that comes, I really can't do anything because I don't want to keep throwing money into it and picking up problems that I don't even know is going to fix it. Waiting game we play. My toe has been broken, so I haven't been doing anything all weekend, honestly. I have been boring as much as I hate to say that. I have been trying to keep it moving and grooving, but I'm in pain. I need to rest. But in other news, I have a brand new collection, my Y2K collection, a camo tee, either available in silver or pink logo. Same with the hats. Like, you can't tell me those hats aren't sick. Half black, half camo with barbed wire. Silver for the boys, pink for my girls, or vice versa. I'm not judging. They're both super hot. I'm so excited to share it with you. But they're live now on the site, as well as my stickers still. So check it out. I will have a more interesting video next week, thankfully, because I am working at P all weekend. So you will get to come along with me and my adventures and working for Wiring Specialties. I'm so sorry for the super short video. I didn't want to not give you guys a video, but it's better than nothing, right? Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.